Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone, my name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa. I hope you actually enjoyed all the recipes so far, and if you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, could you please do so now? Thank you. Akbalo midase minda bishwa denche una. All I've been saying is thank you. So today on the menu, I'm actually taking it straight to the Ewe land. Agbeli Kaklo. What's Agbeli? Agbeli is cassava, YUCA, MANIOC, yes. And we're actually making, I would say, cassava fritters, may I say? Yeah. Cassava balls, Agbeli Kaklo. So yes, let's start cooking.
And talking about names, how about cassava croquettes? That sounds posh, doesn't it? Anyway, let's start cooking. So to start this, you'd actually need your cassava, manioc or yuca, and you need to peel the skins off it and soak it overnight. Now this would actually get rid of any toxins. And once you've done that, you start using your grater and just grate this into this beautiful smooth consistency as you can see here. So grate your cassava until you end up with this beautiful smooth consistency as you can see here. At this point, your mixture is wet, so you need to extract the juice of the cassava out. Now you can do this by using your hand, or you can use a muslin cloth to extract as much juice as you can from it. Now don't be tempted to actually throw the juice away, because you can actually use the juice for the starch, and that's how you get your cassava starch, so bear that in mind. So now that I've actually extracted as much juice as I can out of it, I'm just leaving this to dry for about an hour. Now that I've done that, I'm actually just adding this to a bowl, and now I'm actually going to grate some onions on top, because that will just give it this beautiful taste and exactly what your Agbeli Kaklo needs. At this point, you can add your salt to taste and mix everything together till it's well combined, and you can go ahead and fry it. But knowing me and my twist, I like to add a little bit of chili, so I've just added some green pakbashito to this because it actually gives it that little warmth, and it's my little secret ingredient. Is how I like my Agbeli Kaklo, but bear in mind this is optional. So mix everything together now, and then you form these beautiful balls as you can see here. Now at this point in time, you place your saucepan on a medium heat and add your preferred oil to your saucepan. Now you need to actually heat up the oil for about 5 to 6 minutes, so that's actually at that perfect temperature. Now please ensure you take all necessary precautions when you're dealing with anything hot, particularly hot oil. Now it's best to actually use your spatula and actually place your Agbeli Kaklo on the spatula and lower it into the oil. I'm just used to it, I'm doing the shabu shabu, but please do take all your necessary precautions. Now there are a few rules that you need to follow when you're frying your Agbeli Kaklo, because Agbeli Kaklo has this lovely blush color, and also because you've extracted all the juice from it, it actually is also quite hard. But I like mine softer, slightly softer, so I actually leave a little bit more moisture in it. First of all, it's imperative that you actually do not overcrowd your saucepan with the Agbeli Kaklo, because that would lower the temperature of the oil, and when that happens, what it does is it actually fills the Agbeli Kaklo with oil, and that's just a big no-no. That's an epic fail. So ensure you maintain the same heat all the way through, and please do not overcrowd your saucepan. So for that extra crunchy, hard rock Agbeli Kaklo, you need to actually extract as much moisture as you can out of the grated cassava. But if you actually want that medium soft ones, then yes, you leave a little bit of moisture there. And you fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes. But you need to keep an eye on it and turn it so that it actually doesn't burn, because you do have the inclusion of the onions. And this is done. And here we have our pièce de résistance again, and just opening that up, and that's nice and moist. So bearing in mind that I've actually not done the very hard version, but to ensure that you have that very hard version, you need to extract all the juice out of it. Now you think I'm done yet? No. Now I've decided to actually bake the Agbeli Kaklo, so you've got like a 2-in-1 recipe going on here. So I've just placed this in my muffin tins, so it's the same bowls, and I'm brushing it with some coconut oil. Coconut oil, because usually Agbeli Kaklo is served with coconut, so the coconut oil really works with this. So I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees and then placed this under the oven for about 35 minutes, and I ended up with this beauty. And here we have it. Actually looks good. Look, it is good. Of course, I'm going to taste that. I like tasting my food. Now, of course, I did say that we do serve Agbeli Kaklo with some coconut. So yes, when you're actually cracking your coconut, use the back of your knife, because when you use the tip, you're just going to spoil your knife. And that's just cracked it open just beautifully. And then I'm actually just going to use a table knife, because it is bland in a way, and that's what you do need, because just in case it skips, then it doesn't hurt you. And all I'm actually just doing is actually just trying to get the flesh out of the husk. So it's just adding a little bit of pressure on each side. Yeah, so you do have the slither, but because I just add that pressure, what it then does is it actually releases the entire flesh just like that. Perfecto. So just follow this process and actually take the flesh out of the hard husk and discard the husk. And now we can actually wash this and actually just slice it into beautiful slithers and serve this with the Agbeli Kaklo. Me, I'm just going to sit in a corner somewhere and I'm just going to enjoy this for hot contents, because it's just like, Charlie, I made Agbeli Kaklo and I'm just going to sit madricula. One Agbeli Kaklo voila. Now this is ready. This is like chop time, no friend business. So, but look at what I've actually done to this Agbeli Kaklo. I've actually topped it up with some apple sauce, which is homemade, of course, and I've sprinkled it with some chili flakes as well. It was jam. Now, I remember when I actually put this Agbeli Kaklo picture up, God, it went viral. A lot of people were just sharing it. People were using it. People were even using it as if like they made it. But hey, anyway, I've showed you my recipe and my secret ingredients, and I hope you've actually enjoyed watching this. Now, I'm actually going to leave the transcript of this recipe, including the list of ingredients and measurements, on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as ndudubyfafa, so do pass by and say hi. Now, until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful, and guess what? I love you. Take care of you.